Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you might be okay in your respective homes. A small microbe that got its birth from Wuhan city of China is putting life at stake. In the world, the number of infected people touched the mark of 77 lakh and people are dying in plenty. Our health infrastructure is going to collapse or collapsing. In India, its infection has also touched the extreme heights, that is about 3 lakh, and more than 9,000 people died. In UT of J&K, this infection is also mounting pressure. 55 people died and nearly 5 to 6,000 people are infected. It's better for us to remain in home confinement and do remain stick to books, concentrate on self-studies because there is no substitution for the self-studies. And when you go out in case of any emergency, you need to wear masks so that this deadly virus can't enter our respiratory tract. And you should also follow the guidelines that are being issued by the state machinery and health department time to time. And today we are dealing with a poem by White Whitman, class 10th subject English, a very interesting poem, Miracles. Whitman encourages readers not only to stop but also realize that miracles occur everywhere and every time. The poem starts with a question, why? Who makes the much miracles? And ends with the note, which one is the strange miracle? Dear students, Whitman puts his opinion or views regarding the miracles in completely different manner. In ordinary life, we call a miracle that is a big save sometimes. For example, if a speedy truck hits a person, hits a boy of 18 years age and finally he saves his life, we called it miracle. But Whitman says every activity related to life is act miracle. For example, when we eat, when we dance, when we play, when we run, every activity that we do in routine life is activity. Then he takes a shift from ordinary life to nature, from routine life to nature. When he sees bees buzzing, animals feeding themselves in the woods, this is also a miracle. When people go to visit woods and beaches, this is also a miracle. His idea about the miracles are completely different. When sun rises in the morning and sets in the evening, it's also a miracle before him. When moon rises in the late night, it's also a miracle. When stars during the night twinkle, it's also a miracle. So his idea about the miracles is completely different. When you go through the poem, it is in the textbook of class 10th and many reference books are available with you. You will see exact information what I am giving there. Dear students, no doubt when a man comes to the world, he has to sustain here. He does many activities which makes him to sustain further or ahead. These all activities are called miracles by Whitman. Dear students, whatever activity we watch in universe, whether these activities are done by the biological beings or these activities are related to the physical world, physical environment such as air, stars, moon, and this moon, sky, galaxies, all are miracles. Dear students, this poem starts with the note or starts with the question, who makes much of miracles, and ends with what is the strange miracle. We call strange miracle when a person or when a thing of a unique appearance or unique value hits our life, we call it a miracle. But Whitman says it is something different. Whatever a man does, it's a miracle. I am repeating the things for you. If a speedy truck hits a person and finally he saves his life, in routine life we call it a miracle. But before the Whitman, all activities are miracles. For example, sun sets in the morning, sun sets in the east, sun sun rises in the east and sets in the west. This is a miracle. And we during night we see moonlight. It is also a miracle. When we walk, people walking through streets, it's also a miracle. When people go outing and enjoy for some time their life, this is also a miracle. Dear students, it's enough for today. But I'm before leaving my class, it's a new policy of class, new method of teaching. If any query strikes your mind, if any question strikes your mind, do call me on the number that is 7006671106 and your query shall be answered within very short duration of time. And you can WhatsApp me on that very number that is 7006671106 if any question strikes your mind regarding the summary of this poem, Miracles by Whitman. Moreover, the government is devising a policy to conduct exams online, so you need to concentrate on the books because some good books of English references are with you and English text books are with you. Read these verses of poem thoroughly, and then if question strikes to your mind, I can help you there because I am getting the pay salary from the state wire bachelor's state exchequer. But before leaving the class, I am advising you something is better than nothing. You must concentrate on your studies, on self studies, so that your valuable time may not get wasted.